Okay, there's my reference point, cross on that side. I'm going to bring this up to it, and what is always important, do this whilst you're pushing that direction. Just flick it so that the grip tape under the track doesn't hold you off. See, it might be like that and you might think you're right. Well, it's going to be terrible. So a little bit of flicky flicky. Then another thing I do is I run my arm along the side of the track like that and hold it down so I've got constant pressure on it. And then right at the end, I put the clamp on. But notice I put it over the splinter guard section. Don't come into the middle because you'll deform the track and you'll get a bad result. I hold this much hose out of the way, drop the router into this position, and off we go very slowly. We'll check that it is right on 100. That is pretty good. And that is 839. And that also is pretty good there. 839. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you next time. Bye. I love it. Love it.